Today, we're going to talk about organizational systems within the realm of, you guessed it, systems thinking. In this lecture, we'll explore the intricacies of organizational methods, the importance of understanding them in the context of organizational problems, and how systems thinking can be applied to address these problems. Let's start by defining organizational systems. An organizational system is a complex network of interrelated components that determine how work is done, how decisions are made, and how people interact within an organization. Understanding organizational systems is crucial in addressing organizational problems because these systems are at the heart of how organizations operate. Without a sound grasp of organizational systems, it's difficult to come up with effective solutions to organizational challenges. Moving on to the relationship between organizational issues and systems thinking, this involves looking at the big picture and understanding the interconnectedness of different components within an organization. By applying systems thinking to organizational issues, we can better appreciate the interdependencies between organizational factors and identify the root causes of organizational problems. For example, if there's a communication breakdown in an organization, it's essential to look at the entire communication process and understand how the different components of the process are interconnected. Next, let's delve into the specific system archetypes that are commonly found in organizational systems. These archetypes include vicious cycles, virtuous cycles, limits to growth, and reinforcing spirals. By understanding these archetypes, we can identify the patterns that drive organizational systems and anticipate their behavior. This knowledge can help us diagnose and address organizational problems more effectively. For example, if there's a vicious cycle of poor communication in an organization, we can break the cycle by addressing the root cause of the breakdown. Moving on to organizational modeling, let's review the tools and techniques used to model organizational systems. These include stock and flow diagrams, causal loop diagrams, and dynamic models. These tools allow us to simulate the behavior of organizational systems and predict the outcomes of various interventions. Modeling organizational systems is crucial in predicting and mitigating organizational problems, as it enables us to test different scenarios and identify the best course of action. What are the specific applications of systems thinking to organizational problems? What issues are you confronted with related to organizational change? Communication and culture play an important role. By considering the big picture and the interconnections between different organizational factors, we can come up with more effective solutions to organizational problems. Systems thinking can assist in decision-making and improve organizational performance. Definitely worth our while, wouldn't you say? Organizational systems are complex and multifaceted, but understanding them is crucial to solving organizational problems. By applying systems thinking to organizational issues, we can identify the root causes of organizational problems, anticipate the behavior of organizational systems, and come up with effective solutions. So keep your eyes on the big picture, and remember that every component of an organizational system is interconnected.